Antonio Massey, project manager, Stellar Roofing. Today we're doing a garage. It's a 5-square, complete tear-off and a redeck. Homeowner purchased the home 4 years ago. It had moss growing and he wasn't for sure what else was going on with the roof, so he called us and decided to go with Stellar. The task the team just completed, the ice and water barrier on the eaves, which protects the home from ice buildup in the winter and snow, along with the underlayment on the roof. They will be cutting an inch on both sides of the ridge beam to create that airflow when we apply the ridge vents. From a large roof to small roof to anything in between, contact Stellar. We're here to meet all your roofing needs. This wraps up another Stellar job. I'm Antonio Massey, project manager, Stellar Roofing. Thanks for watching.